In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a new organization in Zoho Books for 2025. Welcome aboard! We'll walk you through each step, ensuring you get your organization set up smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage all your financial data. You'll find a list of your current organizations there. To start, click on the existing organization named Eris Vale. Once you click on it, you'll see an option labeled Manage. Go ahead and click on Manage. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu and click on New Organization. This is where we start creating our new entity. You'll notice a button labeled Add New Organization. That's your cue. Click on it to initiate the setup for the new organization. Now we begin entering some essential details. Firstly, click on the field Organization Name. Here, you'll type in the name of your new organization. Make sure it represents your brand identity since this will appear on invoices and reports. Following that, let's set the location. Click on the Organization Location field. You'll be prompted to specify the location of your organization. A quick tip. Entering your location correctly is crucial for configuring your tax settings and financial reports later on. Once that's done, you can click on the available highlight and enter your location details such as city and country. Now, you'll select the country where your business operates. Scroll and click on USA if that's applicable to you. Otherwise, select the appropriate option and then hit Let's Get Started to proceed to the quick setup phase. As you proceed, click on Organization Name once more in the quick setup to verify your details, followed by selecting your industry from the given options by clicking on Industry. Choose the one that best describes your field of operation. Next, click on Organization Location to confirm the address details and state to set the specific state, like Alabama if that's where you're located. Following that, let's specify your currency. Click on Currency and select the one you'll be transacting in, then move to select Language. This will dictate the language of your documents and interfaces. Now click on Time Zone to set the correct time zone for invoicing schedules and deadlines. Once these details are set, click on Get Started. You might need to cycle back to State to adjust any specifics like confirming Alabama if applicable. Finally, with all checks in place, click Get Started once more to finalize the setup and jump into managing your new organization in Zoho Books. And there you have it. Your new organization is ready for action in Zoho Books. Congratulations on completing the setup. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching and happy managing.